Let's now perform the segmental rotation test. The test serves as a test for hypermobility from T10, T11 to L4, L5, and a test for hypomobility L5, S1. We'll begin by stabilizing T11 and moving T10. Here's L5, 4, 3, 2, 1, T12, T11, T10. I'm going to stabilize, in this case, the left side of T11, put my mobilizing thumb on the right side of the spinous process of T10, and in stabilizing the T11 spinous process, I'm now going to attempt to move the spinous process of T10 to the left. Then I will simply shift the segment down and repeat the same test all the way down. When I get to L5S1, I'm going to stabilize the spinous process. I'm going to put my thumb on the side of the spinous process, stabilize the PSIS, and then attempt to move the spinous process. Now let's perform the same technique on the patient. We're going to start at T10 on T11. I'm going to stabilize the left sides of the spinous process of T11, take my thumb and place it on the right side of the spinous process of T10, and while stabilizing T11, I will now attempt to rotate T10 to the right by moving the spinous process to the left. I'll course down one segment and repeat the test. I'll push my thumb, in each of these techniques, push my thumb into the paraspinal muscles and then block the spinous process. Doing the same from above, I'll push into the substance of the paraspinals, and now my thumb against the right side of the spinous process, I'll push it to her left, attempting to produce a right rotation of T11 on T12. I'll go down one segment. Now, blocking L1, I will attempt to rotate T12 to the right on L1. Blocking L2, rotating L1 to the right. Blocking L3, attempting to rotate L2 to the right. In each of these tests, observing quantity, how far does it go, as well as the quality of the movement, what is the end feel. Finally, L4, blocking L4, moving L3, moving L4 on L5, here, trying to rotate L4 to the right on L5, and then when it comes to moving L5 on S1, I'm going to place my thumb on the right side of L5, block the right PSIS, and attempt to rotate the segment. As previously suggested, we should expect to see limited rotatory motion of L5 on S1 in response to the orientation of the zygapophyseal facets. In all other segments, we should expect to see a very hard end feel with very little movement. We can do the same to the opposite side of rotation. Block the right side of T11, move T10, rotating it to the left by pushing on its left side, and then I can work my way all the way down. And then here, if I want to stay on the same side, I simply put my hand over to her PSIS and attempt to rotate L5 on S1.